There are following modal verbs to describe ability, permission, pray, advice, obligation, and possibility of subject or pronouns in English language. First of all, let's discuss about the modal verbs can or could. Can or could is used to describe ability of pronouns or subject. Let's see examples for its explanation. Ali can speak English language. Speaking English language is the ability of Ali. Can you return my book? Salma could stitch clothes on Eid. Could you open the door, please? Second modal verb is may. This modal verb is used for permission or at some places for pray. Example, may I use your cell phone? For pray when this modal verb is used, may you live long. Third modal verb is should. Should modal verb is used for advice. For example, you should drink a lot of water. In this sentence, subject is advising someone to drink water. Next modal verb is must. Must modal verb is used when for obligation or have to. For example, we must attend his marriage. There is another kind of modal verb, might. Might is used for pronoun or subject for possibility to do work. For example, it might have done damage inside. There is another modal verb, would. Would is used in the form of request to someone. Would you like to have coffee? Would you open the door, please? Next is must or must. We must attend his marriage. Last modal verb is ought. Ought is used for the situation when you advise someone to do it is best for him. Ought you ought clean up your room. तुम्हें अपना कमरा साफ कर लेना चाहिए. These are modal verbs to describe different situations of subject or pronouns to do different works.